So if you got a chance to look at the last video that talks about now that I'm approved, what's the next step? So in that process, I talked about the questions that you need to ask your realtor so that you can get information to know how to do your home search. Now you want to, here's a couple other tips that I want to give you to help you to stay pre-approved for your home loan. So tip number one, do not go on FMLA, short-term disability or long-term disability while you're in the home loan process. Your employment status will change and your income will change, which can affect your ability to stay qualified for a mortgage. Number two, while you're in the process of buying a home, do not switch employers. Because when you switch employers, we need to get a new verification of employment. And depending on the employer that you go with, sometimes you may be on a probation period where they cannot guarantee your employment. That will affect your ability to stay pre-approved so that you can buy your home. And then number three, do not open up any accounts that requires financing. Some people get excited that they're getting ready to buy their new home, and for whatever reason they feel like they have to have their furniture or their electronics, their TVs or appliances, they got to have it on day one. If you do those things, mortgage companies have what they call a debt monitoring system that even when you don't tell us, we have a way to find out if you have opened up any lines of credit, which will affect your debt to income ratio. So you don't want to do that. That's one of the worst feelings to have, is to get almost to the end of the process and for your loan not to go through. Now here's the kicker about that. If you go under contract and you don't tell us that you went and opened up some additional lines of credit, it will show up, and sometimes it'll show up 2 days before closing. So at that point, you can't close on the loan. And then number two, the seller doesn't care. They took their house off the market for you. So now they're going to keep your earnest money. So then you lose twice. So try not to get excited and open up different lines of credit while you're in the home buying process. Please wait. If you can wait till after you close on your home, you will have a better experience and you'll be able to get everything that you need. If you like more information like this, click and subscribe and look for videos in the future.